To turn off the annoying seatbelt sound, open those two screws. So I'm going to open them. Well, let me open it, then I'll record. Yeah, and after taking those two screws out, open this. So now this is the switch. So when you put the seatbelt on, it can you see that there's two lines here. So it goes. So normally it stays like this. So this one, keep those two wires connected, and this is what makes the sound, ding ding sound. Yeah. So when you put the seatbelt in, this one goes down. You're gonna see a green line there. So this one disconnect the circuit. This way the sound stops. So when you put the seatbelt on, it goes like this, and it goes up like that. So you're gonna just take this out and sort of we remove that. It's like this. So this came out. So normally it was like this. Look at the position of this.